Hello students, as you know we have started dissolution of partnership firm. So just let's take a look on syllabus today. So first thing is that meaning of dissolution and settlement of accounts under section 48 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 is there in the syllabus, and section 48 must be fully covered by you. Second thing is preparation of realization account, partners loan account, partners capital account and cash bank accounts are in the syllabus. Now let's see the notes which are more important. So preparation of memorandum balance sheet is excluded for the examination year 2021. Now other important points are when an asset or liability is taken to the realization account, any corresponding related fund or reserve is also transferred to realization account and not to capital account. So that means if the assets or liabilities are transferred to realization account, then the reserves or related fund corresponding one, that means if you are taking investment to realization account, investment fluctuation fund should also be transferred to the realization account and not to capital account, as we have done in admission, retirement and all in all the parts. Next thing is when accounts are prepared on a fixed basis, partners current account balances are to be transferred to capital account. No adjustments are required to be passed through current account. That means you can finally transfer the current account balance and other adjustments you can make through capital account. Next thing is bank overdraft is to be taken to the bank or cash account. That means by starting with credit balance we can make the bank account, but bank loan should be transferred to the realization account because it's a fixed liability. Now if question is silent about the payment of a liability, then it has to be paid out in full. That means at last instruction of the sum, that must begin how the payment is to be done. Now if anything is not said, then the liabilities has to be settled in full. If the question is silent about the realization of an asset, its value is assumed to be nil. That means if assets do not have any realizable value, then the question will be silent about realization of that asset. Again, loan taken from a partner will be passed through cash or bank account even if the partner's capital account has a debit balance. So any loan given by a partner will be passed through cash or bank account, and partner's capital account has a debit balance, even then also the cash must be given to the loan taken from the partner. This is the rule. Now, next point is loan given to a partner will be transferred to his capital account. If a partner is having any loan taken from the firm, then it will be transferred to the debit of the capital account. Admission cum retirement, amalgamation of firms and conversion, sale to a company together with piecemeal distribution and insolvency of a partner or partners are not required. Means these are excluded from the syllabus. So this was all from the dissolution of partnership firm. So according to syllabus we can see that if sundry debtors is transferred to the realization account, then provision for doubtful debts account will also be transferred to the realization account. If plant and machinery is transferred to the realization account, then provision for depreciation is also transferred to the realization account. Now let's see what is the closing different outside liabilities account, how this is done. So this will be done by the following entry: sundry creditor account debit, bills payable account debit, outstanding expenses account debit, bank loan account debit to realization account. That means it will be transferred to the credit of the realization account. Then for assets sold, the assets sold will be transferred to bank account, so bank account debit to realization account. Again, for realization of undisclosed assets, if any, so cash bank account debit to realization account. Again, for sale of goodwill not appearing in the balance sheet, cash bank account debit to realization account. For assets taken over by any partner, partner's capital account to realization account. And for settlement of outside liabilities, realization account debit to cash bank account. All these are entries you must learn. So these are the methods of transferring. A page was missed in between, so I am adding that page again and sending this PDF again to you. You go through this PDF and see what are the entries, journal entries, and we will discuss this in the live class again. Thank you very much.